talaga yung gusto mo?
Yun ang gusto ko.
As ano?
No, as a person who can do it all. Kasi I think, 'di ba, parang ang iksi lang ng buhay eh. And you want to be able to do whatever it is that whatever it is that you can. Mapa-music, my course is music production. So, ibang-iba siya from everything else that I'm doing. It's not film, it's not ano.
But you still dream na sana makagawa ka? Meron ka pang movie na gusto mo na ikaw ang arte?
Oo naman, oo naman.
Ano sana? At kung sino yung gusto mo makasama?
It would be nice. Siguro yung kung sino, hindi naman ako, ever since
Okay,
I started, hindi naman ako, ito yung gusto ko makatrabaho. But in terms of genre, an action would be an action film para sa akin. Especially dito while doing Project Loki, ano siya eh, lumalabas siya eh, na parang lagyan natin ito ng action game. Okay, sa author, game tayo.
Pero nauso ngayon yung reunion project. Are you willing to be reunion project with Kim soon if given a chance?
Any project would do. Wala naman pong ano. Diba parang if we just wanna do our job, we just wanna be able to...
May